My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Ageable.
Okay.
Ratamuma did make one white shot, don't be daddy tail. Ratamuma did make one white shot, don't be daddy tail. Ratamuma did make one white shot, don't be daddy tail. Ratalap, ratalap, ratatumudum. Think you say you never drink white garlic soup. Say you never drink white garlic soup. And me cut the garlic in two, and me share it for me and you. Think you say you never drink white garlic soup. And me see what a mama did get one white chocolate, don't need a detail. Me say what a mama did get one white chocolate, don't need a detail. Ratamuma did make one white shot, don't need a detail. Ratalap, ratalap, ratatumudum. And me say think you say you never drink white garlic soup. And me say think you say you never drink white garlic soup. And me cut the garlic in two, share it for me and you. Say you never drink white garlic soup. Me used to dip on the farm work, you know. Farm work me used to dip on. So, one time we come at town now, I take test. And one boy come, nice young man, look, handsome guy. And we have some paper if you full out. But true, me I'm not big reader now. And things like that, me I pull out the paper slow. So the man come up and say, and I start calling me Duppy. And he start calling me Duppy and won't stop calling me Duppy. And he won't stop calling me Duppy. But me can't make him know say me begs about it. You know? Because your farm worker knows say you begs about it. That is an epidemic. You can't get away. So
you talk about epidemic, that's serious, you know?
Me say, so me did ignore the boy all along. So, everything said and done, so when he come and take his paper from me. I said, give me paper, Duppy. And he just take his paper from me and full out it for me. For real. So me realize you say, he mean some kind of joke, but me no like that the joke because you call me Duppy too much. Die. And he can
as soon after that everybody will start calling you so.
Then if you make them know you know like it, that's how it go. And me can't make it know so. To give paper for them and we did it so. We reach a airport. And me know they did their wait for the plane. Everybody see a pass and say, hello. You know who this Duppy? And the boy call me Duppy and won't stop. And when they come on the plane, but then they must serve food on the plane. But then I do about 4 years already for farm, I no new, you know. And the boy call me Duppy and won't stop. So hear you says now. Hello sister. You don't have to give no food, you know. A Duppy. You lady, you know, leave the man alone. You don't know. A Duppy a ghost that you look bad. He start get to me, but me can't say nothing. And we all along on the plane, the man pay Duppy Macali. Come on for a plane to take a ground bus. The first person up on the ground bus is driver. A driver, be careful when you driving because we have a ghost on this. You know what you say? We have a ghost on this on this trip. See him right beside you. Duppy. And the boy a fuck me, I won't stop. Anyway, they on the bus and we go on and we stop, him and call me Duppy. For Jamaica, man, 2 days straight, you know, because we are taking with the goods, you know. So we come believe us North Carolina or South Carolina. One of the Carolina, they will come back for one coffee shop one morning. To go buy coffee. See me walk up, the boy come up and say, hello miss, be careful you know. A Duppy that, that's a ghost. You lady say, what do you mean Duppy? She said, what do you mean Duppy? She said, ghost, you never know ghost. Somebody will die and come back and ghost that. You know, leave the guy alone. So me say, hello miss, let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you how this thing works. This guy and I, we grew up together. And when we was going to school, they call me Duppy 1 and call him Duppy 2. Him, what a bumbo club man. Me know you, me say yes, me know you. They call me Duppy 1. Duppy 2 from Breadfruit War. Go Dup. Me make a song for him right away. Duppy 2 from Breadfruit Town. Bagadap. Duppy 2, Duppy 2. Duppy 2, Duppy 2. Duppy 2 from Breadfruit Walk. Hallelujah, hallelujah. And me start speaking tongue right away. He begs. He nearly kill me.
So right away you get him for self call the Duppy.
He better stop calling me Duppy.
Ratted.
And I'm me taking man off to go to New York. Duppy 2, you dirty bitch. Duppy 2. So when the driver here me come back from the bus, you know, why you never tell me that before, man? Me say I never want to get the secret, bro, because we Jamaican and we don't tell American the Jamaican secret. But he want to talk my secret. And they call me Duppy, but he no believe that I would tell everybody that he is Duppy 2. And I am original Duppy 1. So him no want to tell that. So me boss is secret. What a bumbo clown. Oh, you liars or what? Me know you.
Serve him right, man.
He say, yo, brother. So, you see, if I'm a business boy, if you want to get some knowledge, you have to real knowledge. See, good man, bad man, clean man, and dirty man. Nasty, dirty, drunk people, you have to go on farm work, brother.